All right, here's example 2 for solving graphic inequalities. Again, same function, except now we have a greater than or equal to here. So it's still kind of the same idea. So here we have the function, and then here is our x-axis right here at the 0. So again, the function is greater than 0, which is greater than the x-axis. We want it above here. So this time it's a solid, it's an equal to, so this is going to be a solid parabola, but the roots are still the same. We put a closed dot, and then kind of just graph it here. So again, vertex doesn't matter. We're more interested in the intervals. Okay, so on this one it says, think for what values of x is the parabola above the x-axis. That's because the function is greater than. So when we're looking at above the x-axis, we already know that this vertex part of it is below it. So above, you just take, maybe if I draw a better parabola, this will work out better. So my parabola should do something more like this. That's a bad one too. There we go, that's better, a little better. Okay, so if I take like -5, it'll hit the parabola right there. So it's -5 and 6. If I take 6, we talked about last time, it hits up there. So everywhere it hits the parabola is everything above the x-axis. Anything below it is not here, is not qualified because it's not a greater than. It has to be greater than. So everything above the x-axis. All right, and basically what this means is that this is shaded all on the outside of the parabola. Okay, so we get a between type solution. So from this point out to -infinity, and this point out to positive infinity. So positive infinity and negative infinity. All right, and then we're going to write that. So basically we call this solution a split solution. Okay, we're shaded on the outside. Okay, and kind of a template. X is less than your low, so just think low, low, low less than. Or x is greater than your high. Okay, so just think high greater than. Okay, so as far as interval notation, we got -infinity to -4 bracket because it's a solid parabola now. Union, and then we have 5 with a bracket as well, all the way to infinity. Of course, infinities are always parentheses. And then following the template, our low number is -4. So x is less than our low number, or x is greater than our high number, which is 5.